In today's digital world, your website is your most valuable online asset, working 24/7 to attract visitors, generate leads, and drive sales. However, website unavailability, even briefly, can lead to lost revenue, reduced customer trust, and long-term brand damage. Therefore, understanding how hosting prevents website downtime is crucial for every business owner. Choosing reliable hosting isn't just about storage, it's about ensuring stability, security, and continuous performance. Website downtime occurs when users cannot access your site, often due to server crashes, hardware failures, traffic overload, cyber attacks, or poor maintenance. Without dependable hosting infrastructure, these issues can quickly take your website offline. Reliable hosting prevents downtime primarily through high uptime guarantees, often 99.9% or higher, supported by advanced monitoring and premium server infrastructure, ensuring your website remains accessible. Scalable server resources automatically adjust to handle increased traffic during promotions or viral campaigns, preventing crashes. Strong security measures like advanced firewalls, DDoS protection, and malware detection are vital against cyber threats. Automatic backups and disaster recovery solutions allow for quick website restoration with minimal data loss. Furthermore, 24/7 technical monitoring and support ensure immediate issue detection and resolution before major outages occur. Finally, advanced performance infrastructure, including SSD storage, load balancing, and CDNs, strengthen server reliability for uninterrupted performance. When hosting prevents website downtime, businesses enjoy consistent revenue, improved customer experiences, higher search engine rankings, and stronger brand credibility. Conversely, frequent downtime can drive customers to competitors. To ensure hosting prevents website downtime, select a provider with a proven uptime record, scalable hosting plans, strong security, automated backups, transparent pricing, and reliable customer support. Avoid choosing hosting solely on low cost. Quality hosting is an investment in your website's stability and long-term success. Understanding how hosting prevents website downtime empowers businesses to make smarter digital decisions. Reliable hosting guarantees high uptime, enhanced security, scalable performance, and continuous availability. In a competitive online landscape, downtime is unacceptable. Investing in dependable hosting services protects your website, your customers, and your brand reputation.